Dialpad versus Ringcentral, which one is better? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Dialpad and Ringcentral. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first platform that I'm going to review is this Ringcentral. So just open your browser and kindly go to ringcentral.com. And if you haven't signed up for Ringcentral yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Ringcentral, it is a cloud-based communications and collaboration platform that offers a wide array of services including voice, video, messaging, and conferencing solution for businesses, in which it provides a unified platform that integrates various communication channels into a single interface, allowing users to communicate and collaborate effectively from anywhere using any device with an internet connection. And aside from that, its services are scalable, making it suitable for small businesses as well as large enterprises. And as you can see, it has a 99.999% of SLA, which stand for Service Level Agreement, which is a contract between the service provider and the customer that outlines the level of service. And now, moving on to the other platform called Dialpad.com. And from here, if you haven't signed up for Dialpad yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Dialpad, it is also a communications platform that provides a cloud-based business phone systems and collaboration tools, in which it also offers a range of services aimed at enhancing communication within organizations, including voice calling, video conferencing, messaging, and contact center solutions. And similar to Ringcentral and other communication platforms, Dialpad focuses on enabling seamless communication across various channels, since it allows users to make calls, conduct video meetings, send messages, and collaborate in real time from any device connected to the internet. And also, you will see here that they have the enterprise uptime SLA of 100%, which is also almost the same on Ringcentral. And now, in terms of their calling quality, this platform Dialpad is known for its high call quality, which is attributed to its AI-powered voice intelligence and real-time transcription features, in which this will allow users for better quality as each call is set up. And aside from that, Dialpad also offers an AI-powered customer intelligence platform that provides a range of AI tools to enhance business conversations and streamline communication. And some of the AI tools offered in Dialpad including real-time transcription, sentiment analysis, live coaching, workflow automation, and language support, in which those AI tools are designed to improve customer engagement, enhance team collaboration, and provide valuable insights for sales and customer service interactions. And those AI tools are very important to improve business conversation in several ways, since Dialpad's AI can transcribe conversations in real time, providing a running transcript of the conversation as it happens, in which this feature helps to ensure that important details are not missed during the conversation. And also, Dialpad's AI can analyze the sentiment of calls in real time, providing valuable insights for customer service and sales interactions. So those are basically the feature that offers under the Dialpad's AI tools. Now moving on to the other platform, Ringcentral. In terms of their quality of calling, Ringcentral also provide a reliable calling experience and has been crucial to success of many teams, according to user reviews. And also, Ringcentral is known for providing high-quality voice calls with crystal clear sound and minimal interruption or distortion, ensuring a reliable communication experience for businesses. And aside from that, this platform also offers a complete all-in-one communication suite for phone, video calls, conferencing, and many more, with flexible plans tailored to fit the specific needs and size of a business. And aside from that, in terms of the AI tools that this platform provide, since Ringcentral offers AI tools through its RingSense platform, which focuses on conversation intelligence and revenue intelligence, and some of the AI tools it provides, including RingSense for Sales, AI-driven revenue intelligence, AI APIs, and QA automation and speech analytics, in which those AI tools are designed to enhance customer engagement, improve team collaboration, and provide a valuable insight for sales and customer service interactions. And also in terms of their user interface, this platform is designed to be intuitive, streamlined, and user-friendly, since the interface of this platform is organized into several sections, providing easy navigation and access to various features and functionalities. And some of the key aspects of RingCentral user interface including desktop app, web user interface, admin resource page, and mobile application. And aside from that, in terms of the integration that RingCentral provides, by simply clicking these integrated apps, you will be directed on this page. So basically, RingCentral offers a wide range of integrations with over 200 companies, including popular productivity and customer relationship management, or CRM, and also tools such as Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, and Zendesk, in which those integrations allow users to bring advanced communication functions into the business apps, since they use every day to automate their sales cycle, and also to gain insights on every call. And aside from that, RingCentral also offers integration with automation tools, allowing users to log in with single sign-on to securely and quickly access, share, and archive critical data. Now moving on to the other platform called Dialpad. From here, it will show you in terms of the integration. Dialpad offers a variety of integrations to enhance its AI-powered customer intelligence platform, and some of the key integrations including Salesforce, Zendesk, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams, in which those integrations are designed to provide unified communication and collaboration experience for users, allowing them to leverage the power of Dialpad's AI tools within the applications they use every day. And aside from that, the user interface of Dialpad is designed to provide seamless integrated experience for users. And aside from that, you could also install the Chrome extension application of Dialpad by clicking right here, Chrome extension button below. You can start adding the Dialpad as your Chrome extension. And aside from AI tools and the integration that this platform offers, we can now proceed to the pricing plan in order to access this platform. And as you can see below here, it will show you some of the plans such as Standard, Pro, and Enterprise plan. And you will see here the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. And as you can see, the cheapest plan that they offer amounting to $15 per user per month. While on the other platform called RingCentral, from here, by simply clicking the pricing option, it will show you that they offer the Core plan, Advanced, and Ultra plan. And below, you will see the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included. But the cheapest plan they offer amounting to $20 per month. And now that we know some of the benefits and features that offers on both platforms, I can say that choosing between RingCentral and Dialpad, it is important to consider the specific needs of your business, since RingCentral is more suitable for larger teams, especially those that are geographically dispersed, and it offers extensive integration options and large meetings capacities. On the other hand, Dialpad is described as more cost-effective choice for smaller teams, offering essential functions and superior AI features that allow businesses to optimize every action items and call analysis. So basically, the choice between RingCentral and Dialpad will depend on factors such as team size, communication complexity, and the specific features and support offerings that best align with the needs of your business. So that is just basically the comparison review between RingCentral and Dialpad. Thank you.